How to redeem PaySafeCard. Redeeming your PaySafeCard is a simple process that allows you to use prepaid balance for online purchases. Let's go through the steps together. First, visit the PaySafe website by typing paysafecard.com into your browser. Once you are on the home page, log in to your PaySafe account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one at first. After logging in, navigate to the gift card section of the account. This is where you will enter your 16-digit PIN code. Next, carefully enter the 16-digit PIN code from your PaySafe card. Double check to ensure accuracy. Once you have entered the PIN, click on the redeem button to finalize the transaction. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.